Hello and welcome to. Let's have a look at how we can improve the performance of our Windows 10 machine in just a few steps. While Windows 10 is quite aesthetically pleasing, the effects do come at a cost. So the first thing to do would be to actually reduce some of these effects. In order to do this, you have to go down to the menu icon here and right click, and you go to System. In System, you then find Advanced System Settings. And in Advanced System Settings, we want to look for the Performance section. Have it here. And you click the Settings button. In here you'll find a list of all the effects that's applied to Windows 10. You can pick and choose whichever ones you like. By default they will come like this. And the easiest way to actually improve the performance will just be clicking this. Adjust for the best performance. And you click OK. And OK. And then close this one. The next step will be looking into some of the files you've used in the past. As you use Windows, a lot of files get stored in a temporary folder so you have quick access to them. However, this takes up disk space and slows down your machine. So we want to find this folder and we want to delete the files. You have a few ways of doing this. You can either go to the file menu, or we can do the quicker and easy way. We can either use run or search. So if you go down in the search, if we take search first, you can type the folder, and you see this folder coming up here. These are all the temporary files that's related to what you've been working with previously. So we leave that there for a second. If you want to do it the other way, you can do it by clicking the Windows key and R. That will open your run menu. And as you see here, if you type similar again, exact same, and click OK, it will open the folder again. In here we want to delete all the files. It will leave some of the files which is still in use, but it doesn't matter as long as you delete these. You see it's quite a lot of data. It'll take a little time. And just skip those. You may have some different files, but just call skip on them. It's fine. You can select the skip all action if you want. Give it a minute. And it's done, and we close that one. While we're in the process of cleaning up files, we also want to do a disk cleanup. To do a disk cleanup, we need to find the drive first. So if you go down to the File Explorer, click on it, then go to this PC. In here you'll be listed with the different drives. If you right click on a drive, go to Properties, and then go to Disk Cleanup. What this will do, it will clean up all the files on a drive which Windows thinks is suitable to be cleaned up. So what we want to do here is we're going to select the folders. You may have a lot more folders listed in here, and just select them all. When you click OK, it will process it. It may prompt you with whether you want to delete all the files, and just say yes. And there you go. And click OK. You want to repeat the same thing for each of the drives. And only the actual hard drives, not the CD drive. The next thing to do will be looking at the processes running in the background of Windows 10. To do this, we go down to the menu down here again, and click the icon, right click, go to Task Manager. What you'll be prompted with here are all the currently running processes. So you've got 88 processes running here in the background now. However, I'm not particularly interested in those right now. You can go over and right click. For example, of this update, I don't want to run that, and enter task. However, I'd rather want to go to the startup and turn off the things I don't want to run every time I start Windows. So in the startup, For example, have Adobe CS6 Service Manager, which don't want to run every time I start Windows. So to actually turn this off, what you need to do is click on it and then right click and click disable. You want to go over your own list and decide whatever programs you want to start. For example, the last step is for those who know what type of hard drive they have in. If you have an SSD drive in, you don't want to perform this step, but if you do not, you want to go to your File Explorer, similar way as before, and go to this PC, and in your drives again, you want to right click on the drive again, click Properties. This time we don't want to go to the cleanup, but we're going to go to the tools. In here we find one called Optimize and Defragment your drive. So what this does is it will optimize your drive by combining files that's been split up over the drive, and thus making it a lot quicker to access. It does take quite a bit of time to perform, but if you click this optimize button, I'm not going to do it right now, just let it run and do its business, and by the time it's done you'll have a lot faster machine. Okay. That's all for this tutorial. If you've been following along, I suggest you restart your computer now. If you liked the tutorial, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos to make your tech life easier. Thank you very much for watching.